If you're looking at this right now, this is your sign to get this wig. Get this wig for the summer. You need this wig.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, high and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Day McClay, coming back with another video, produced, created, and edited by your girl. So before we get into the video, I want to remind you all to make sure you are like, commenting, and subscribing. This is a small YouTube channel. I am a small YouTuber, and any and everything helps. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So I am so happy to bring you guys another video on my channel. I know it's been a while since you've seen my face, and what better way to come back than with another wig video, and to be more specific, a sponsored video. So as you guys seen by the title, this video is a sponsored video from Gorgius Hair. I'll be reviewing this wig. This is the easy, minimalistic, protective, and low maintenance wig that I think everybody should have in their collection, because your hair could literally be looking terrible. All you have to do is slick it back in a bun, braid it down, like, babes, throw this wig on. Stick around for the rest of the video so you can see how easy it is to put this wig on and rock it, girl. Okay, you guys, so upon getting my order, it came in this cute iridescent chrome box. As you see, it came with a wig, of course, and it also came with a wig cap for the install, and then it came with a pouch. And in the pouch, it had a bunch of different goodies in it. Now, what was in it was an edge brush, and you girls know we can't have too many of these. An elastic band, just in case you needed like some extra pull or something, some bobby pins, and some clips. Now, this wig was packaged in a nice satin bag, and I'm just gonna take it out and show you guys how it looks. So upon taking it out, y'all see it is super curly and fluffy. This wig is actually in the style Shaggy. It's super thick, bouncy, and extremely lightweight, so it's perfect for the summertime. And it mimics our hair as if we have like a 4A, 3C kind of style. Now, this is just me showing you guys where the combs are in the unit. And then there's also an elastic band. And now I'm gonna show you guys how easy and quick it is to put on this wig. And just like that, it's on, girl. Literally took me less than 5 seconds. And to customize the wig a little bit more, I'm just gonna take a small brush and just to start fluffing it out. So I'm gonna comb it back just to tease it a bit and create more volume. Another perk about this wig is the fact that it's made with 100% human virgin hair. So when you need to refresh the curls, you can style it however you see fit, whether that be with mousse, water, or even a lightweight cream or leave-in conditioner. So just to leave you guys with last minute remarks about this wig, it is literally perfect for the everyday business girl, or just somebody who is lazy, or you just have a lot on your plate, or you just want to switch it up real quick and it be low effort. This is the wig. You can literally put it on in 5 seconds. You can style it to your head, your face structure, everything like that in 10 minutes. You don't need glue. You don't need none of that. And it's the perfect protective style for the girlies that are also trying to let their edges breathe. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of the video. Please let me know what you think of this wig in the comment section down below. Did you like it? Did you hate it? But I'm pretty sure you love this. It's like, let's be honest, there's nothing wrong with this wig that should make you hate it. So if you like this wig and you like this video, please thumbs up this video. This is definitely going to help boost me up in the algorithm so I can reach the other girlies that need wigs that are convenient for the summertime. All the details to the wig will be in the description box down below, along with the name, the length, the color, as well as the direct link so you can also purchase this wig. And y'all already know it wouldn't be a sponsored video if you didn't have a coupon code. You're going to use this discount code on the screen for you to get some money off, some coins off for your wig purchase. If you decide to get this wig, please let me know. Send me a video or a picture on Instagram through my DMs. I check them very regularly and I would love to see how the girls are looking, because we all deserve to look this good for the summertime and with convenience, okay? Thank you all again for tuning into my video and supporting my channel. Please make sure you are like, commenting, and subscribing. And yeah, I want to thank you all so much. See you next time. Bye.